Of course, yes. There's no second thought on that. I'll give my example, Bala. Uh, Particularly, I have my teams who are logged in as well. They would agree to it. I strongly believe, and I preach on that particular part. When we talk about hiring, I personally feel the ask model, the attitude skills, you know, ASK, attitude skills and knowledge model. The employee or the particular candidate, or the employee with the right attitude can be trained upon, and particularly with the current setup, all with a limited time and specialized training, that particular skill can be developed. So with the right attitude, if there is a training imparted and you are able to develop your skill, there are a lot of multiple employment opportunities which will be created for skilled and semi-skilled segment. Not only about the semi-skilled, but even unskilled sectors, with little bit of training that can be converted into semi-skilled, and they can be groomed up to skilled level. So with all three kind of contractual setup of skilled, unskilled, and semi-skilled, with little polished training, they can definitely get up the ladder, and there are multiple employment opportunities. And that's the reason today, as rightly mentioned by Atul, Suresh, and also me during our conversations, lot of contractual work and lot of project-based work and lot of vocational work will be available for such segment employees. So it's very important to get the right skill of training, and then with the current, thanks to technology, thanks to availability, reach, that today there are so many training opportunities, so many vocational courses available for them to upgrade themselves. So yes, there is a huge scope for such employment opportunities. And I strongly feel that with our kind of population, with our kind of mixed, resources available in the, in the economy, definitely such opportunities should be taken up by the youth, and they can, definitely convert them into entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs down the line.